There is no doubt that Poco F1 is one of the best smartphones of 2018. It has a powerful Snapdragon 845 processor, 6GB of RAM, infrared-based fastest face unlock, 4000 mAh battery and AI camera only for the price of Rs 21,000. But my friend, there is no smartphone on earth that is absolutely perfect. Same is the case with the Poco F1. In this video, I present you the top 4 reasons not to buy the Poco F1. Let's begin with the reason number 1. Poco F1 has a plastic build. This is 2018 now. If not the glass design, they should have at least provided the metal build on this phone. Even though it has a powerful specs, it does not give a premium feel in hands. Next reason is the Gorilla Glass protection. OnePlus 6 and many other smartphones of 2018 comes with Gorilla Glass 5, which is very much better than the Gorilla Glass 3 of Poco F1. I don't know why Xiaomi has used the 2 generations old glass for protection. Next reason is unlocking the bootloader. If you are into flashing the phone, trying the custom ROMs, then you have to wait at least a month to get the bootloader to be unlocked. Next reason is the flash sales. The phone will not be available in open sale anytime soon. You have to wait in a queue for the flash sale. And if you have a slow internet connection, then it is very difficult to grab the Poco F1 in the flash sale. So these were the reasons not to buy the Poco F1. In case you have missed the video on the reasons to buy Poco F1, then you can find its link in the description. That's it for this video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.